There is a talk going on in Government of India that why can't Prasar Bharati also grow at the same pace as the media and entertainment industry is growing. But we have to admit that the role and responsibilities which Prasar Bharati has to discharge is to meet the needs and aspirations of the remotest corner of the society in the entire country. We want that our reach should be in all the households in the country. And the way the channels are growing, approximately about 738 channels are already there, out of which half are news and current affairs channels. The anticipation is that over a period of time, maybe in the next 25 years, we are going to have as many channels as households in this country. So see the growth which is going to happen in this sector, and the challenges are immense, both for the government and the private sector. The broadcasting sector has seen some significant changes in the last 5 to 6 years. DTH content continued to play a pivotal role in the growth of the television industry. And as on date, the anticipation is that roughly we have about 44 million households in the DTH sector. We are according highest priority to cable TV digitization, which was successfully completed in 3 out of the 4 metros and 38 cities in the country. Kamal Hassan ji spoke about that we should carry forward the pace of digitization, and I can assure you that we are committed to this task. The phase 3 and phase 4 of digitization is already underway. The targeted date as given by the Cabinet is about December 2014, and I am sure with the support of all of you and the governments, and especially the state government of Karnataka, we should be able to go ahead in this endeavor. There needs to be a level playing field for indigenous set-top box manufacturers. Now, set-top boxes is one area which I wish to highlight in front of this gathering, that we have already invested enough in the set-top boxes. The import content is very heavy. It's about 85%. Only 15% of set-top boxes are being manufactured indigenously. I think there is a tremendous potential for the industry sitting here across the country in the entire canvas, that why can't we take up manufacturing of set-top boxes, which is of the order of about 20,000 crores. In the phase 3 and phase 4, we are going to have roughly about 11 crore set-top boxes, both for the DTH platform and the cable TV networks, which are right now being imported. I do appreciate that there are concerns regarding the taxation. I think those concerns can be addressed. We have been, in fact, proactively engaged with the industry. I have personally spoken to the Secretary of Small, Micro, Medium Enterprises sector, Department of Electronics and IT, that please tell the industry to come forward in this endeavor and let us start manufacturing set-top boxes in the country, because it's a huge opportunity and potential for skill development as well as employment also. When we talk about digitization, it has obviously successfully penetrated into the households. It has benefited the population in a significant manner in the quality of consumer services, the channels, internet, movies, games on demand, etc. We do appreciate that there are concerns between broadcasters and the multi-system operators, between multi-system operators and cable TV operators, because the subscriber base is not increasing to the same extent as the channels are increasing. We have been emphasizing that there should be transparency, there should be clarity, which is going to be a win-win situation not only for the broadcasters, but for the multi-system operators, local cable operators, and also for the government. As far as the revenues are concerned, I think the Maharashtra government has earned roughly about 25% additional revenue out of entertainment tax through the cable TV network. Similarly, if we see the revenues and the balance sheets of some of the MSOs, the carriage fee has gone down, the subscriber base has gone up. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Mysore have been able to make a significant impact in filling up the consumer application forms, but we want that more and more cities in the country should follow suit so that it is a win-win situation for everybody.